What's going on YouTube? This is Sam's Diecast Showroom, bringing you guys another Hot Wheels unboxing. Today we have two different colors of this casting called the Lethal Diesel, kind of a track vehicle with a big blown engine, and this one's from 2021, this one's from 2022, and these are the recolors for each of the years. Alright, Lethal Diesel first came out in 2021 in kind of this rustic brown color, this rust brown, and then recolored in satin blue. And then 2022, it came out in a rescue format in matte black. And this one is kind of a satin army green with gold trim. All right, pretty awesome releases. And this is the second color for 2021. It came out in Track Stars, number 3 of 5. And best for track model. It goes on the track very smoothly. And new for 2021, 74 of 250 on the year. And a K case release. I think it originally came out in J case, and GTB 80 is the toy number. Lethal Diesel was born in 2021, El Segundo, California, and the designer's Hot Wheels. However, like the jolt of an earthquake, the roar and rumble of this automotive beast will shake your bones, redline your adrenaline, and make you ask, did you feel that? And the Trackstar series, peel out. Orange wheels signify that these vehicles are built for ultimate track performance. All right, and a 2020 copyright on this. And the second release is in the green color for 2022, the recolor for 2022 from Hot Wheels Rescue, 2 of 10 from there, and 121 of 250. And this one's from M Case, HDX 17 is the number on that one. And Hot Wheels Rescue, fearless and fast to respond, these vehicles save the day. Okay, we are going to open the 2021 release first in blue. Very cool. I've been saving this since I got it. I think I got this at Dollar General back in 2021, back when it was out new. And that has a really nice blue color. And that's the first one. Looks like we had a nice clean open. A little bit of glue missing on the top. And here we go. 2022 M Case release. And there we go right there. Nice easy pop, open. And now we have all 4 colors of this Lethal Diesel loose. Let's take a nice look. Here's a comparison of all 4 of them in the order that they were released. There we go. Struggling a little bit. All right, starting it off with the 2021 recolor in blue with Lethal Diesel on the side and track in the number 3. We have a black decal with those kind of like loops made by the tracks on there. We have orange tires on this with a black line. Those are open hole 5-spoke wheels, OH5 rims, and they spin pretty well. And there we go. Nice blown engine, chrome pipes, chrome windows, chrome backs, and almost looks like those should open, but I don't think they do. And then we have the front here, pretty flat front end. And interesting model, kind of looks like, I don't know, I want to say it's like based off a Hummer or something, but looks like kind of an armored vehicle. See the bolts down there. And they've only released these in matte or satin finish colors, I believe. And we have a black roof, nice, more of a shiny color on that roof. Hot Wheels logo right there. There's the tracks going all around it. There's the back with some fuel, some diesel. It's probably a diesel engine since this says Lethal Diesel. And that's the name of the casting. This is a black plastic base for this particular release with the Trackstar logo on the bottom right there. And looks like we have 2 rivets. This one's painted, this one's unpainted. Pretty nice release. And the second release for 2022, the brand new color of it, and the newest color of it. I wouldn't say it's brand new. We have different colored wheels. The front wheels are gold AeroDisc wheels, and the back ones are gold rim deep dish 8-spoke wheels. They're also known as the Steely 8-spoke wheels, but I call them the DD8 or deep dish 8 spokes because that's the actual official name of it. And once again, we have Rescue on the side with a little bit of green, gold, and black. Pretty nice looking. Some Chinese writing there. That's Chinese. And here we go. Gold trim on this one. Number 68 on the top with Rescue. Interesting stuff right here. And this had good spinning wheels. Here's the front end. A rescue vehicle. Police car, kind of. Pretty interesting. Nice looking release. There's the back once again with those gold kind of things in the back, whatever they're called. And there's the black plastic base. Thank you guys for watching. This was sort of a lengthy episode, but we managed to get through it, and we reviewed some nice Lethal Diesel Hot Wheels castings. Which one was your favorite release? I think out of all of them, this one would be my favorite release. I opened this on an e-case unboxing on the channel, and I got this back when I first started collecting cars, so I didn't record this one since my friend was actually showing me how to open them. And the method that he used, I don't even use that anymore. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.